Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card for shopping. So let's get into the video. So open up your Amazon. So once you've opened up your Amazon here, so what you can do, if you have a gift card, you can simply do all your shopping through Amazon. So open up Amazon and then you'll have a wide range of items here, so you can simply browse through. If you hit on the search option, you can search for any item that you wish to purchase. So you can just search for it, or else you can search by categories as well here. So if you want, by brands or categories, so whatever it is, you can just search it, and then once you find any item here that you want to purchase, for example something like this here. So if you want to, for example, these AirPods here, so if you want to purchase this, what I'm going to do, simply hit on buy now, and then when you hit on buy now, it will get you to your checkout page here. So what you're going to do, so you're going to simply, when you get to this payment method here, so payment page, so here if you're going to use your Amazon gift card, so what you have to do, simply scroll down and click the add gift card option here. Simply click on the add gift card, and then now type in your Amazon gift card code and then hit on apply, and that's it. You can use your card to complete this transaction and complete this purchase. So that's how, as long as you have sufficient funds, you'll be able to use your gift card, and that's how you do shopping on Amazon using the gift card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.